get into this remote control car. So this is my son unboxing it. It was a struggle. It was hard to get it out. But it's boxed very good. He's a lefty, so forget how he opened it. That's the controller. Comes with two booklets. One in English, one in a different language. I'm not sure what language that is. And then that baggie he dumped out was extra tools. That's the battery. It's us struggling to get the battery out. And this is him trying to use it. He loves this thing. It has lights on the front and everything. And again, it goes 30 miles per hour. Go get you one. Click the link below.